Hey, Pico Rivera, this is Dr. Gutierrez from Gutierrez Chiropractic, and today I have a pretty good deal for you. It's $19 for a chiropractic adjustment. Now, you can't beat that. It's a good deal. Definitely take advantage of it, and it includes an exam and any type of explanation we need to do, like report anything with you and kind of show you what's going on. So there are no hidden fees. You just come in, get adjusted, and you pay 19 bucks. That's it. So if you're interested in doing that, we have 47 vouchers available right now. So fill out the form below, and we'll send you a voucher via email, and give us a call right away so we can schedule you and get you in there for that $19 adjustment. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.